In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from LinkedIn. Whether you're trying to store a piece of information, save a quote, or capture details for future reference, knowing the best ways to copy text from LinkedIn can be incredibly helpful. Now, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account if you aren't already. Ensure you're on the LinkedIn homepage, which is typically filled with updates from your network and the latest posts. Scroll through your feed to find the specific text you'd like to copy. Once you've located the post, hover your cursor over the text while avoiding any profile link or image that might redirect you elsewhere. Carefully position the cursor at the beginning of the text you wish to extract. It's crucial to avoid the clickable elements in the post, as you want to select the text without opening any links. Next, click and hold down the left mouse button. While holding it down, drag the cursor across the text you wish to copy. This action highlights the selected text and helps you differentiate what will be copied. Ensure that you have highlighted all the content you want before releasing the mouse button. If you miss a bit, don't worry. Just repeat the process until you've selected everything needed. With your text now highlighted, you need to copy it using your keyboard. Press the Ctrl key and the C key simultaneously if you're using a Windows-based system. This command quickly saves the highlighted text to your clipboard. For those of you using a Mac, pressing the Command key combined with the C key accomplishes the same task. It's the universal shortcut for copying text across most platforms. After copying the text, you'll want to paste it into a location of your choice, such as a document or an email draft. Open the application or window where you wish to paste your text. Position your cursor at the exact spot where the copied text should appear. Using your keyboard, press the Ctrl and V keys at the same time if you're on Windows. For Mac users, this is simply the Command and V keys together. These key combinations will paste the copied information into your current working document. Now, you might encounter posts where selected text doesn't copy in the format you need. This limitation might require you to manually type or use Digital Note taking tools that can help capture and format text for you. There are extensions and tools available, such as note-taking apps, that might offer enhanced capabilities for capturing LinkedIn data. Though these may depend on your browser. I hope this guide helps you with copying text from LinkedIn easily and efficiently. Practice these steps a few times and soon it'll become second nature to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.